Finding the right stock photo can be tough. It takes time, costs money, and let's be honest, the results often feel generic. What if you could create high-quality, custom imagery specifically for your clients' brands without ever leaving your social media management dashboard? Can you guess what's coming? We're excited to introduce ImageAI, our image generation tool embedded directly within Cloud Campaign. We've integrated ImageAI directly into the content creation workflow you're already using. It sits right along your standard upload and content creation options, so it fits perfectly into your existing workflow. Let me show you how it works. When you click ImageAI, you'll see our simple prompt view. This is perfect if you don't consider yourself a prompt engineer. It uses a guided Mad Lib style input to help you build a prompt quickly. All you have to do is adjust the fields to customize your prompt. Need more specific control? Click the Create Your Own Prompt toggle to enter advanced mode. Look at you go, fancy pants. Here you can write your own detailed prompt for maximum creativity and bespoke results. You have full control over the format before you generate. Choose from such classic shapes as square and portrait or landscape to ensure your image fits the target platforms perfectly and prevent any posting errors. Click generate, and in moments, high quality imagery awaits. Image not exactly what you wanted? No problem. You can edit your prompt and click regenerate. We even include 2 free regenerations with each image to ensure you're satisfied with your outputs. ImageAI is about giving you the power to create high quality, bespoke image for your clients at scale without the added cost and extra complexity. So what are you waiting for? Log into Cloud Campaign and try ImageAI today.